Okay, so this is still the kiddo in Colorado. Um, I don't know if you can hear that, but that's our skies. It's like a freight train. You might have to really put your headphones on or crank up the volume. This has been going on for like 4 minutes solid. Um, I'm almost I'm almost waiting for a tornado to come down. You guys are going, well, what you doing outside? Can you hear that? Wow. Holy cow. And that's west, so we got another one. We got something else coming through yet again. That's our hail that we just got. Wow. There is like, it's lightning, but it's like the whole, I don't even know if you can see it. I can see it. It's like the whole sky is one big lightning bolt when it happens. Whoa. This is ridiculous. I've heard this before. But this is now going on at least 5 minutes, not my recording. But, what's that? What the heck is that? Wow, there it went. Another lightning bolt sideways. I'm actually kind of scared to be out here. Sienna, come on, get in. Come on, we're going in. Come on. Well, the only other option is that we got a whole shitload of, whoops, I beg your pardon, of jets going by over. Oh, there goes another one, which I don't believe that's the case. It's all over the sky. It is all over. Oh, man. Whoa, shit. Sorry, I know this video's going all over the place. Whoa. Sienna, get in here. Now. Sienna. Sorry, folks, I didn't mean to yell like that. I'm a little nervous here. I'm going to check, see what our weather is. I'm going to check on David Schlotthauer. He's actually been reporting on weather since he was 10 years old. Very, very, very sharp 20-some-year-old man. And if you ever get a chance to go over to his channel, go do it, because when there are really bad storms, he will stay live, even if he is on live for 32 hours, and he will, you know, he tries to help save people's lives and tell them what's going on live, on the spot in their area. Wow. It's really dark over there.